estate. Oh, let me. It's a nice Polo this is. Oh my god, it's got a K20 boost in it. Okay, what's going on, guys? We're going to BQR car meet today. Been waiting for this one for a while, to be honest. They're one of the YouTubers that I actually watch. But oh look, I go far estate. Oh, let me. It's gone. We are in a 200 brake horsepower Golf GTI. But is that Golf R fast? What do you call it? A family R. So sorry. So we're going to the BQR meet, and it's at the race course. They haven't done one about over a year because of lockdown. But always wanted to go. They're quite humble in what they do, and I quite respect that. So, and they also worked with Adam LZ, should I say, and I quite like him too. So they're quite good YouTubers, and they set up a show today. Good morning to getting gapped by Golf R. We've also got a few more project cars on the go, and they will be revealed as we go along. Just been really busy lately, but we're going to get back on it very soon. But I just want to say thank you very much for everybody supporting the channel so far. There will be a 10k subscribers video just to thanks to everybody supporting the channel. We made it, and just looking forward to that. So yeah, there will be some merch and some stuff that's going to be revealing very soon for the 10k vid. So just thought it's time to give back to the people that's been supporting and build a community. So yeah, so may the Almighty bless each and every one of you, and let the today commence. Whoa, GTR. Let's get these guys. Thank you, thank you. Okay, right, so we've just got in now, but man, there's so many cars. Yeah.
Got a bump there, mate. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I know. Cheers, mate. There's actually a damage on this car. It's actually a category car, this is.
Well, he's on a bit of a...
We're supposed to take the Skyline here today, but there was no MOT. I totally forgot in the morning, so we couldn't get the MOT. Oh, sick! Oh man! BQR VIP. Oh, so that's how you do it. Nice. Ah, I bought it like this. So many cars. It's a nice Polo this is. Oh my god, it's got a K20 boost in it. Jesus. That has a K20 boost doing in a 619 Polo. That's a sleeper and a half. Love sleepers. Jeez. It's a nice Golf R this is. E36. Got a nice exhaust tube though. Scorpion. Like it. I don't think it's an M3, but it's got an M3 badge on it. Alpina wheels they are. I think they are. Or M Sport wheels, or from a 5 Series. Nice colour though for E36. So many cars. This is such a nice Civic EF. What does it say? High speed original noisemaker. Wow. Love this. Absolutely love it. Oh, nice EG. EGs are just on the rise today. They're the best Civics to get for a K20 boost. And of course an R32 GTR. Wow, absolutely love it. And this is what you call an OG car. I like the rims on it as well. I think they're TE37s, aren't they? Rays, no rear rays. Wow, beautiful. Not to be biased today, but another Skyline again. It is very clean. So white, like a mine Skyline. Shout out to Kieran, his EP3. Yeah, right there. Wow. Not a big fan of GTRs, but this really stands out. Dan, you've got a nice GTR, mate. I think it's the wrap that makes this car look sick. The Honda Del Sol CRX. I don't know what the hell is this. I do like them. I do like the older CRXs, but you can't really get them anymore. So I'm looking at one of these. It's just the way it looks. Oh wow, look. Another S3 ref. Got boost. Nice little sleeper that is. With the E36. I do love the colour, the blue and the white rims. Such a nice contrast. This. Whoa, you're right. I really love your car, sir.
Imperial. It's a 1975
Yeah.
Imperial.
Okay.
LeBaron. Coupe. 7.2 litre. 440 block.
Wow. I've always loved big engines, basically.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow. Do you mind if we look?
Carry on.
Oh, you got a nice
Sit in
doggy.
it, sit in it.
Wow. Really? Oh my god, look at the chair. It's literally like a sofa. Jeez. Oh my god. That is huge. That is massive. Is this something that you see out of a movie?
That's right.
No, thank you very much for showing that, sir. Really appreciate it. If I ever come to that one, we'll see you there then, yeah? Alright. Peace. Integra DC2s, I love these Integras. I was always a fan of these cars. I drove one when I was much younger, but I can't find them. This one's so clean. Even the arches are clean. So these are like the original. I think that's been swapped. I think that's a K24, that is. Nice Evo weight. Look at this. Definitely gonna get one of these in the channel. I always talk about it, but an Evo weight's gonna come. Isn't it blow that sick Evo 6er? Oh wow, 370Z. Oh gosh, I do love 370Zs. It reminds me of the 240Z, the only ones that brought back the classic. Wow, this is the max power. It's got a gold front end. He's gonna win the show, he is. Reminds of us going in so wow. I think it's a GTS-T, isn't it? Yeah. Nice though, it's got the midnight purple, which I like.
Yeah, my dad's got RB24. What, the highlights? Yeah.
How clean it is. I must admit, I like the colour of this. It's so nice. Feels nice as well. Very clean though. He's clearly done his strut tops. Look. Beautiful, beautiful car this is. Big brake. Huh? Oh man. That's the interior we need in the Skyline. That's tight, tight, tight. Is it? Wow. Is this even road legal? It's got a number plate. That's one of you see it. That's Volker's famous Cupra, should I say? Wow. I didn't watch too much of it. This has got the same engine as the S3. Bam Bam engine this has. I remember watching them build this car up. How clean this is. There's not a wire in there. Jeez, man. It's so clean I can lick it. Look at the... Let's see what it is. Whoa! So this is their recent build. So they drifted pretty nice in this, they did. EJ9 they are. It's got K20 in it. This would be such a rocket on the road. It's a sleeper, you know, it looks like a very standard Civic. Very standard. It's got nice seats in there. Such a standard looking Civic. Hey man, how you doing man? You good? You good, yeah? Say again, is this yours then?
Yeah, this is mine now. I've got a EP3 now.
Love man, love man, love man. I like it man, I like it.
I like yours.
What you doing with it anyway?
I'm gonna boost it.
You're gonna boost
Yeah,
it?
then they're gonna come from.
Calm down man,
Yeah, I
I'd
will.
appreciate it.
Yeah, I will.
Keep up, keep doing what you're doing, man. Alright, don't stop.
photos and that one.
Yeah, man, do man, love it, man. Alright then, peace, man. Look after yourself, right? Bless your family. Sick. Subarus are Subarus, but this one caught my attention. But just the wheels, it just looks so sick. I like how they've done that. This is actually not an ordinary Subaru, it's actually an RB320. So that's
There's three Skylines up here.
ah, yeah, nah. I looked up this morning, it ran out of MOT today. Literally, yeah.
My
Yo.
Skyline, cylinder 6, shot itself, and my R33.
Yeah.
So we're getting rebuilt now. It's getting
Oh, you're doing
forged.
that now? Oh, sick. What power are you looking to get?
Before it was running on, it was on stock. Everything I'd done the hybrid turbo,
Yeah.
bigger injectors, all that kind of stuff, bigger.
Yeah.
I had 420 brake and 450 brake, and I just used 420 everywhere.
Yeah, that's
So it was
yeah.
easy to daily commute with 420.
Wow.
It's just expensive.
Yeah.
So I was using it daily.
Nah, man, that's crazy. You're
So I can
crazy.
see the difference now.
I wouldn't daily that again.
No.
Yeah. Look after yourself, right? Look after, take care of yourself. Shout out to James, we had one of these on the channel, and every time I see a Puggy now, 205 GTI, I think of James. We do have a Lexus, I just haven't touched it for a year, but I love the spoiler on this. It's huge. Give a comment down below if you like big spoilers or not. Gear stick, that is nice. It's a nice Lexus. Like, a Lexus suits a spoiler. Beautiful Glenza, a huge intercooler. I bet this one's running some huge power. Alright, no, this is it now. PS13, that's what they called. Only ones that come out with the SR20 DET stock. They just look the car. Ah, beautiful car, man. These are the type of cars that you see in a mountain. Drifting at 100,000 miles per hour in a mountain. No seatbelt, no nothing, no helmet. I love a Seat Leon. Just the fact that I wouldn't modify it to look like that. I'm more of a sleeper person. I love sleepers, so I'd rather have a sleeper car. It's just the potential of these are just crazy. Same engine as the S3 8P, and if you get a DST model, you just put a hybrid turbo, boost it up, and they're rapid. So nice cars. One of my dream cars. Just look at it. It just looks so American. That V8, mate. Yeah. Give it some. Wow. Alright, we've got some dream cars here. But this one, it says Evo 800. Oh, it's got a dyno print. Tommy dog. Look how big the turbo is. I like this. Beautiful. This is what it takes to get an 800 brake Evo. This is pretty nice though, this is. Nice Evo. Oh my god, it's an Evo 7. I thought it was the Evo 8 from the back. Nice. Wow. It's an M3 that is. M3.
Have you had fun? Yeah.
I like, no it is. I've been to a lot of shows.
Yeah.
I like what you do in the video. It's very helpful.
Do you do it as well?
Huh?
Like do videos as well?
I started doing it now. I'm not nowhere near like where people know. I just like what you do. That's what I'm trying to do. Keep it humble.
Yeah, I think it's like easy, isn't it? I find that like if you do like loads of shit for YouTube, you get burnt out real quick, and then you hate doing it. And I was like, I'm not playing that. That's why I'm not like massive on YouTube, and we've never done like very well because like we don't play the game because I don't want to. If I play the game, I'll just hate it. Because it's shit. Yeah, like, daily uploads like will ruin your life. Whereas like I'm just like, I'm doing this cool shit, I want to film it, and then it's like a side piece. So it's way better, I think. You don't like do as well, but it's more enjoyable.
Yeah, man. And you met Adam Milstead, and I'm a big fan of Adam Milstead.
So you were supposed to come today.
Huh?
You were supposed to come today.
Yeah. Adam Milstead.
Adam and Jimmy were going to come, and then we were looking at tickets, and then we were like, oh yeah, no one can actually get in the country. This was like a month ago. And nice one. Thank you, mate. Thank you.
This is such a big event, and looks like we'll be going to every event by the looks of it if we can. But drop a comment down below what you guys think, and may the Almighty bless each and every one of you and your family, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.